Yingping, a deputy to the 14th National People's Congress, is a marine geoscientist and deputy director of Qingdao Institute of Marine Geology. She has long been engaged in scientific research in marine and coastal ecological environment and has dedicated herself to the protection of natural resources and environment. Yin has been elected an NPC deputy for 2 consecutive terms. Since 2018, she has been working to promote the application of research achievements in ecological protection to better serve legislation and social governance in relative fields.
比如说，我提出来的关于矿山生态修复的这个工作建议，在最新的中华人民共和国矿产资源法修订草案的征求意见稿里面，已经做了专章的表述。那我提出的关于加强检察公益诉讼立法的建议，也被列入了14届全国人大的立法规划了。
This year, as the top legislature convenes in March, Yin is focusing on high-quality development in the field of geological survey.
那么重点就我们地质调查立法工作，还有这个矿产资源法的修订的工作提出进一步的建议。我始终把生态环境领域高质量发展作为我的重点工作领域，无论是从我的专业技术角度开展更好的调查和研究工作，以高质量的技术服务来支撑生态文明建设。那么同时当然也在代表的履职过程中，也加强对于生态环境领域高质量发展的司法的建议和实践工作。